morning students. Today we are going to start practicals of optics. This is experiment number 8 to find the focal length of convex lens by plotting a graph between u and v, that is object distance and image distance, or 1 by v and 1 by u. The graph between object distance and image distance is like that, and graph between 1 by u and 1 by v is like that. For this experiment we need following things: an optical bench. This is optical bench on which a scale is made. That is, a meter scale is made on this scale. 2 needles. There are 2 needles. This is one needle and this is another. 2 needles. A convex lens. This is our convex lens. And a lens holder. This is our lens holder. Now we know that formula for focal length of lens is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, where u represent object distance and v image distance. For real image, u is equal to minus u. So using proper sign convention for real image, we have f is equal to uv by u plus v. Now first of all, we will try to find out approximate focal length of convex lens. We know that when light comes from infinity, it converges to focus of the lens. For this, I have made a screen of white sheet paper, which will be seen to you. Here, the light is coming from infinity and focuses at this point. Focuses at this point, and we will measure the distance of focus by help of this method. This is only a rough approach, a rough method to find out focal length of convex lens. In our reading, focal length comes to 18 centimeter. The focal length of this lens is 18 centimeter. Now we will remove this. We will remove this. After that, we will try to balance the optical bench. That is, optical bench is either on horizontal position or not. For this, we will take a help of a spirit level. By help of a spirit level, we will balance the optical bench. This is a spirit level. For taking reading of object distance, we will try to keep object between f and 2f. That is, between focal length and center of curvature. That is, if we have get a focal length of 18 centimeter, then we have to keep object distance between 18 centimeter and 36 centimeter. For sake of convenience, we have taken 2 readings, which is worth noting. For example, object is kept at 30.8 centimeter. Object is kept at 30.8 centimeter. For this, we will notice image of this object. Image of this object is either real or inverted. Real or inverted. You see, the image of this object is real and inverted. to locate the position of image, we will use another needle, another needle, and you will find that image distance is about 28.8 centimeter. To verify this, or to say to erase, or to say without parallax error, we will shake our head left and right so that the image and object both move simultaneously. So this is the correct reading. So for 30.8 centimeter, the image distance is 28.8. In the same way, we will take another reading. For this, we will slide the object. We will slide the object nearer to the lens and keep it at another distance 24.5 For this, we will adjust this another needle which shows the position of the real image. You have to adjust this. Adjust this. By adjusting, we see that the image is found to be at 35.2 centimeter. 30.13. Centimeter. 35.2 centimeter. 35.2 centimeter. In this way, you have to take 5 reading for different positions of object. You will get different positions of image. After that, we will plot a graph. We will not use the formula to find out the focal length of the lens. We have to find out focal length of this convex lens by using either this graph or by using this graph. This graph comes as a curve and you have to draw a line which is inclined equally to x-axis and y-axis, that is 45 degree, and drop a perpendicular. This perpendicular distance OQ will be 2f, also OR will be 2f. 2f means radius of curvature, and you know that focal length is half of radius of curvature. In a similar way, if you draw a graph between 1 by u and 1 by v, this is 45 degree and this thing is also 45 degree. So here focal length is equal to either 1 by OP or either 1 by OQ. You may draw any of the graph. Don't need to try plotting both graphs. Thank you.